Have you ever wondered how to get rid of those horrible blanks in an Excel workbook? Have a look at my problem here. If you see here on row 3, I've got a blank, and row 5, I've got a blank, and row 7, I've got a blank. I want to get rid of these blanks. How do I do it? Very simple. So I'm going to click anywhere in my data and I want to go to the end of my worksheet, or more particularly end of my entered data. So I'm going to hold down the control key on the keyboard and tap end, and there it's taking me to the last cell. I'm now holding down control, shift and pressing home, which makes sure that I've selected all the cells that I need to. Next, I'm going to hold down control and press G, and you can see it brings up the go to box. If I click on special and then click on blanks and then click on OK, you can see that all of the blanks are selected. One last keyboard shortcut here, hold down control and press minus on the keyboard, and now you can see it's come up with this delete box up here, and we are going to, from this delete box, select shift cells up. Looking good. Click on OK, and those blanks are now deleted, and you can do whatever you want with them. So if you want to see more tips, make sure you subscribe, click on the notifications button. Look forward to seeing you next time.